The truth is out there. But how did a 1990s TV show bring conspiracy theories about Majestic 12 and UFOs into the mainstream? Debuting in 1993, The X-Files quickly became a cultural phenomenon. The show captivated audiences with its gripping tales of government cover-ups, mysterious phenomena, and the unknown. Central to its allure were the chilling alien encounters and the shadowy world of conspiracy theories. At the heart of many episodes were themes drawn directly from Majestic 12 lore, a secret committee allegedly formed to investigate UFO activity. The show masterfully blended fiction with elements of real-life conspiracy theories, creating a sense of eerie plausibility. This unique blend of science fiction and speculative history kept viewers on the edge of their seats, week after week, making The X-Files a groundbreaking series that left an indelible mark on television history. Majestic 12, often abbreviated as MJ-12, is the alleged secret committee tasked with managing extraterrestrial contact and safeguarding humanity from potential alien threats. This shadowy group became a recurring motif in the show, weaving a tapestry of mystery and intrigue. While never named outright, the parallels were undeniable, with numerous episodes hinting at their covert operations and hidden agendas. The show's creators masterfully used this enigmatic organization to explore themes of government secrecy, conspiracy theories, and the unknown. Fans of the series were left to ponder the true extent of MJ-12's influence, both within the show's universe and in real life. The X-Files didn't just entertain, it shaped a cultural movement. By blending real-life conspiracy theories with fiction, it introduced MJ-12 and UFO lore to millions. But was this purely entertainment? Some believe the X-Files mirrored real government tactics, using media to seed disinformation or prepare the public for eventual disclosure. Today, the X-Files' influence is clear. It set the standard for how we view UFOs, government secrecy, and the hunt for the truth. From fiction to reality, the world of the X-Files has always intrigued and captivated audiences with its blend of mystery, science fiction, and the supernatural. The X-Files blurred the line between what we know and what we can only imagine. It made us question the unknown and ponder the possibilities that lie beyond our understanding. Subscribe to Emgotv1 to explore the stories that inspired this iconic series, and the truths it might have revealed. Dive deep into the conspiracies, the unexplained phenomena, and the real-life events that echo the show's themes.